So welcome back friends, and this is Bosen channel, and today's guys I'll be showing you on how you can fix the of course WoMic error which occur when you're trying to install the WoMic and the drivers which are supposed to be installed are not installed. So I mean, without the drivers you can't record anything or you can't get the output video. So I take my time to look over different websites in order to get the WoMic, but I didn't find any drivers which are required for the WoMic. I even checked up from the official website of WoMic, but they didn't upload the drivers. I mean, the setup file just alone without the drivers. But from previous years, like on 2013, the drivers released was both uploaded on the website. But if you go now and check for the drivers, you're not going to see the driver. So I take a little bit of my time, waste my time in order to check for the drivers. Yeah. So you can see now I wasted of my time to go and check for the drivers. I go to different websites in order so that I can get the drivers. You can see now I'm trying to go to this website, but if I check it correctly, I can see that I really don't have the drivers there. So let us take a shot. Yeah, let us take a shot. And you can see now I'm trying to look, but I'm reading the instruction. But if you go to downloads, you're not going to see any download available for the driver. So it take me like 2 days searching from the websites in order I can get the drivers. It take me a lot of time to check for the drivers. You can see now I tried even to light for some robot capture in order so that I can get the link of the drivers, but it didn't work. Let me try some kind of this website to see what the heck, if I can get the link or let's see. So let me go and grab some cup of coffee while we are waiting for that. But what I see that from that download, it was not actually the true drivers which come in there. So if I leave that folder over there, isn't it tell me that the driver? So but I download it, and when I try to open, I get that kind of pop-up setup, but I realized that was not the correct driver for that press over there. So it didn't make it, so I just cancel it out and delete it from my files. And I was just thinking what the best software which I can get my drivers, and that took me a lot of time. So this was one of the first website which I do my investigation in order to check for that, but I realized that I was only wasting my time for that driver, so I just want to go and cancel it out. You can see some kind of instruction given on that web page, but there is no any important, so that we can say that I can go and get a driver, and that was not a real. So I even go and check up some videos, people showing videos on that they was trying to install that. And if you go and see from the videos, you can see that from previous videos, like from past years, you can see that when a person trying to install that driver, the driver's already purchased in the setup. But when I tried to install my setup, and the list below which showing that the drivers, the sound drivers are there, wasn't exist. So that was a big issue. I even tried to read some comments to see anybody if could be uploading that file, but I end up getting tired, and that's a big problem that I was forcing. And let's check on this software, the web page, and see that if you get that link of the drivers. WoMic official website didn't upload all my shit, and I end up getting not found on this website. That took me a lot of time and concentrating find that driver. So if you are new to my channel, and this is my Boston channel, the channel which talk about tech and great ideas on how you can save your money and look cash. So you must please go and click that subscribe button below on the YouTube channel. People are wasting our time helping and finding videos for viewers and not viewers for videos. So please, can you consider subscribing on my YouTube channel? So you can see now I'm really trying to see what that. He also giving instruction what you can do, but I tried a lot, but I end up not getting a driver. It look like so funny, giving instruction. I can't get the correct driver. And let's say that's checking that one day that you can go and install that, but the bad thing that she didn't leave a link which the direct link, not the official website link, but the direct link which give us the press so we can download that link and install the sound drivers. That was a big issue for me. So I wasted a lot of time finding that drivers. That was so janky. So that you can see that she's even trying to open the notepad tab, giving us instruction, but the big issue was the ring. So I even don't care about that video, and I continue searching from other YouTubers not to get the knowledge. Let's say that there will be a good luck that a person have uploaded that link on his web page or other, and of course you can see that list of drivers in that videos is there, but the problem that we are forcing from 2.72 of the version of WoMic, and of course I'm using Windows 11 on my PC. So when I tried to install that setup, I realized that I was not getting, you can see that I was not getting the link which showed me that this is the driver. So I check up until I found, let's listen from this guy.
Especially for new YouTubers who are looking for a cheap microphone
is that the
for
link?
Recording their video tutorials.
Is that the link?
So today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can use your Android device as a microphone.
Please guys, can you
video
go
tutorials
and consider subscribing
like I'm
to this
doing
guy
right now.
I
So
got the link. Wow, that was a good luck. Wow. I get that link. So let me go and comment something on his YouTube channel. Wow, I'd like to thank this guy very much. Yes, bro, thank you very much. You have done a great job. So please, can you guys go and the first, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and the second, can you go and consider subscribing to this guy on his YouTube channel. That's the great job from his channel. People are showing content, but their mind isn't exactly for providing the detail of the content. So I recommend you as a YouTuber, everywhere you try to make your content, please can you go and fulfill the gaps of the link of the description and put what the person does. So yeah, and this is where I get the link. Let me try to finish the commenting on his YouTube channel, and yeah, it will be very much great. So right now I'm trying to comment on his YouTube channel, and wow. So I've already get the link. So what I'm trying to do now, just want to go and yeah, downloading that file, and you can see that the file is downloading. You can see the file is downloading. Yeah, we can wait up a minute for the file, for the complete downloading of the file. Yeah, we can wait, and yeah, waiting and waiting. I'm trying to wait. Waiting and waiting. And now we can see that the download is complete. So right now I'm going to try to extract and take the driver, the sound drivers of WoMic. Yes, and I'm going to try to open that file. Wow. So right now I'm going to take that file and press it on my desktop. Yes. So that I'm going to close that, minimize that task. So, and another thing that you can see that the drivers was corrupting. So let's say me that I don't have the driver, and even if you can go and check from the recording, you can see that from the recording I really don't have the WoMic drivers. I really don't have the drivers. So right now I'm going to install the drivers on my PC. I'm going to learn this as an administrator. Yes, and you can see that the sound drivers WoMic is on. So this is how you can solve this error. There is no any other tricks which you can use than this method. So you can see that the WoMic sound drivers are installing, and we can just wait up for a min. And if now we go and check for that sound drivers on the sound setting, and we can see now, yeah, you can see WoMic, it is now present on that page setting over there. So now just I can select the WoMic driver mic which was facing the error, and now you can see that the problem is almost solved. Yeah, the problem is almost solved. And if now we go and check for that, you can see that the WoMic drivers is now ready and present. Wow, you can just connect it and make the default, and now yeah, you have the driver. So I've been showing you the method on how you can solve the error which the WoMic is not installed on your computer. So please can you go and subscribe that guy on his YouTube channel, because he done a great job. Also don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, because without me you couldn't even get that. You could have, but yeah, please can you go and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Yeah, so I don't have more to talk. This is how I solved the error of WoMic, that you're trying to install in the setup, but the drivers, the sound drivers, are not installing. And of course, I think this error mostly occur from the new Windows. Like you're using Windows 10, Windows 11, and yeah, something like that. So I don't have more talk. Until the next time, yeah, bye. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. That is important. Yeah, thank you.